So today, I'm here with my SmartWave shade that I recently installed in my daughter's room, and I wanted to get it set up with Apple's Homekit and be able to control it from Siri and other devices, all through your voice or through the app, whatever have you. The actual smart shade that I purchased, the roller shade that I purchased, has the Matter motor upgrade in it, so it's ready to go into the smart home. The big thing is, I should just be able to add it to Homekit real quick and easily using a QR code. There's supposed to be a QR code on top. I didn't pay attention when I was installing it, so let's look up there real quick. Now, today we are setting this specific window shade up, which is a Matter enabled window shade with Apple's HomeKit. However, you can set it up with all various assistants. That's the beautiful thing about things that is Matter. Matter is a very open platform for various things. And of course, to start, you have to have some kind of Matter enabled hub in your smart environment or in your home on your network. And there are lots of capable devices. So for instance, this is actually out of the smart home setup kit for this specific shade from SmartWave. And you can see we have Apple Home, Amazon Alexas, Google Home, and SmartThings, and the various apps, or I should say products, that have the hub built into it. For instance, with Apple, which we see on the far left, which is what I'm doing, we have the Apple TVs, specific Apple TVs, as well as first and second gen HomePod and HomePod Mini, all of which I have a bunch of those, so I'm already set up. Same thing with Amazon's Alexa. We have the shows and dots and all the various products that are Matter enabled. Same thing with Google Home. We have a whole bunch in there, and then of course SmartThings. So let's get to start with this. Okay, so I think it's supposed to be over here, and there it is right there. Little QR code, Matter QR code, should make it very easy to install. So let's get to it. Okay, so let's open up my Home app, and there's going to be a whole bunch of accessories I already have in here. I'm going to hit the plus button, top right kind of corner there, and hit Add Accessory, and it should ask me to scan that QR code. Let's try it. There we go. All right, it thinks it's blinds. It's a roller shade, so hit Add to Home. Connecting. Okay, so it didn't find the accessory in my home, so I gotta look a little bit deeper into this. So it appears to me as though I have to actually put this into pairing mode, otherwise it's not gonna actually see it, because right now it's kind of Matter dormant at least. And over where the power plug is plugging in, there is a small button which you can hit with a pencil or pen or paper clip in this instance, and I believe we have to hit it 3 times in succession to enter Matter pairing mode. So we're going to do that, and then we're going to try scanning it again. So that was 3 times. So now I'll go back into the HomeKit here, add accessory again. Okay, it did see it that time. Hit Add to Home. The interesting thing, hitting it 3 times didn't seem to make it blink. So now it's blinking. The green light is blinking. It did blink. So now a couple minutes later it's blinking again, blinking green. Now it's not blinking again. It's definitely taking a little bit of time. Okay. That literally took like 4 minutes, and it did do a couple blink times, but now I get to place where it is, and is actually in Audrey's room. Hit continue, and blind's name, I'll just say window shade, because it's the only window in this room. Nope, I'm not going to do blind automations, but obviously you can, and enable automatic updates. Now we should be able to control it with the app. So if I'm in Audrey's room, I can see the window shade. Let's open it up. Oh. I don't know why it stopped there. But I can say, let's say I want it halfway or a little lower. So I can just place it where I want it. A little bit lower. Let's go more up. So yeah, it'll actually work, okay. So I'm assuming that now I have the capability of using Siri with it as well. So here we go. Hey Siri, set Audrey's window shade to 50%. Awesome. Hey Siri, close Audrey's window shade. Booyah! We are now fully set up with HomeKit, and that was pretty darn easy. Now the thing is that this isn't technically HomeKit, this is Matter, but Matter, there are several Matter devices that Apple has with the HomeKit. Now of course you can also put this with Google's accessories as well as Amazon's assistants and such, so you can control this from any different smart home environment. In this case, we're setting it up with HomeKit. So that is the smart setup for my home for this specific accessory, the SmartWave Roller Shade. Very easy. It's going to be a very similar platform when we're using Amazon's Alexa or Google's home environment as well. So it really comes down to the environment that you have built up in your home. In my case, it's more Apple-based than anything else. Currently, I don't have any Alexa devices on my network, which is kind of interesting. It's been a while, and I kind of go back and forth in trying different things. But right now, I actually don't have one on my network. Interesting. Either way, doesn't really matter. That's the setup. Fairly easy. Of course, in this case, do make sure you put it into pairing mode, and then you know you're good. And give it time. And it may be because this is the first Matter setup that I've done on my Apple network, but it did take, I would honestly say 4 minutes, give or take, for that thing to actually, once I went into started pairing it, that's how long it took. So it did fail the first time. Just make sure that you put it in the pairing mode to actually pair it with whatever smart assistant you're trying to pair it with. So thank you for watching to the end of this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. And if you're interested, check out my full installation as well as the solar panel installation that I did on this specific one. So this one's actually powered for life. I don't have to worry about it. So thanks for watching to the end. Catch you back here on GeekSmart for another future video setup and tutorial.